This is the Irontrader. It is Thursday. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now, the natural gas EIA report will be out today at 10:30. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, your daily chart. Now, just a quick review here. I've been pointing out this candle here. This was your breakout candle, 77.33. You can see how it ran up here to the 200-day, ran up there into the 200-day, and then once that broke, she ran up really, really nice. So that's always the support now you want to look at. Now, it came down and retested. So you look at this price channel, 77.59. Okay, very, very nice. Held that key, 77.33. Been rallying ever since here. Now, you're really now looking really good here. See how you're above this 8 SMA here? Now, it looks like it wants to curl up here. You're above this 21 SMA here. Now, these are going to be your two key support levels. So you want to look at 81.24, okay, first. And then we want to look here. If that's lost, then you have 80.31. And then what we do is we just follow these candlesticks down. So then what you want to do is look at the bottom candle here. You're looking at 79.61 here. On this candle, you're looking at 70.34. And then we come to this candle here. You're looking at 78.14. And then your big retest there is sitting at 77.59, which lines up very nice here with this 50-day at 77.50. Now, again, if that's lost, then we look to the 200 SMA here. Looking at 76.23, and then we have your 100-day. Let me see here. Yeah, you're sitting at 75.49. So we got really a lot of support here. Look at the price is above all your SMAs. Always good. Okay, so let's see where she's going higher. Okay, today's high so far is 82.40. Okay, so what we do, always look to the left of these candles here. Okay, so this is already above this 82.23. This one right here, okay, so you got 82.58, and then we have 82.67. Those will be the next candles that you'll be looking for. Then if it gets above that, you have 82.91. We have 83.20, and then we looked at this candle here, which is 83.81, and then we have your 84.65. Then your big nice retest up there at 84.89. Now, if it rallies, which is looking very, very bullish here, especially this time of the year here, if you can get up to this 84.89, then we have to see what it's going to do. Is it going to break up higher, or is it going to double top here and then sell right back off again? Okay, so we have to wait and see when we get there. Now, again, always pay attention to all this hurricane season here, because this is usually very bullish here to the end of September here for crude oil and natural gas. Now, natural gas will usually runs all the way there to the first of the year here, okay? So we got to be very, very careful here on this hurricane season. So always watch that very, very closely. Okay, so now we know where we go. Watch this key 21. Watch this key 8 SMA here, and then watch these candles here, and then your big retest 84.89. All right, let's take a look here on a weekly and a monthly. Okay, your weekly chart. Well, this is looking very, very good. You had a nice big run up here. You double topped 83.53 key level, went higher but closed below. Okay, then we have a nice sell off, but you notice that it held the 8. It held this 50-day. Okay, those can be a key support level. Now she's rallying right back up again. So you want to look at that 83.53. You want to look at that price channel at 84.89. And if you can get higher, your target right there is sitting at 85.72. And then above that, we have 86.21. That would be your upside targets. Now, again, if it breaks and closes above this 86.21, well, then I'll already have it all posted for you exactly where we're going to go. Okay, so on the downside, you want to watch this 8 SMA here, 80.20. Okay, that's for the week on a closing basis here. And then we want to look here on this key 50 SMA here, 77.96, and then 75.84. That's your 21. Now, when this sells off, and it's going to sell off here, okay, because if you look at a seasonality chart there, usually crude oil will run all the way up here to the end of September, and then you want to basically short it till the first week of December. Then you want to go long for 3 weeks till the first couple days in January, and then you want to short it down here till the end of January, and then get ready for summer driving season again, okay? So always look at a seasonality chart. Now, it doesn't always play out like that, but for the most part, it does, okay? So when this does sell off here, and this 75.83 is lost, this is your target right here at 68.60. See how many times that it retested here, and then if that's lost, 63.64, okay? So that's what we have to look at. But right now, we worry about right here is this 80.19 and this key 77.96 on the downside. On the upside, you want to watch that 84.89, and then if it gets above 85.72 and this key 86.21. Now just keep it very simple here because you can see how everything is just working out very nicely. Okay. All right. Let's take a look here at the old natty gas. All right. Here we have your hourly chart and your 4-hour chart. Now I've been pointing out this candle right here. Okay. If you look at the lower of that candle right here, you're looking at 2.457. 2.452, but you put in that green candle there to close out the day here. That's a red dog candle, double bottom in play, and pow, there she goes. So look at here, all the nice higher lows. That's what you want to see on a chart. That is good, beautiful, going all the way up. Now, okay, so today's high so far is 2.83. Okay, so then what you want to do is look to this candle right here. Okay, so now when you look on top here, the high is 2.863. The low is 2.81, and you're open. It opened at 2.845. So that is right there is going to be your resistant levels right there. Okay. Now, again, if you can close above, then we just work ourselves all the way on up here until we can get the retest. Okay. Now, on the downside here, you want to watch this 8 SMA here at 2.79. You want to watch this 2.78, your 21-day here, and then your 2.719. That's your 50 SMA. That's looking really good. So you want to keep this series of higher lows here, even if it came down to this 50-day, or even if it came down to this 100-day here, you're still intact here for this to go higher. All right, let's take a look here on a daily and a weekly. Okay, your weekly chart here, well, looking very, very nice here. Okay, there's your high today at 2.839. This is the target you want to go to here, is this 2.86. And then this candle here, which is sitting at 2.87, very, very key. And then we have your retest there at 3.018, and this is your big boy right here, okay, at 3.027. Close above this, and this is where she's going, 3.15, okay, right to the 200-day. That's where she's going to go. And then we have your 50-day on your weekly above that at 2.62, and then you have 2.76, okay? So that is your upside targets. Now, here, on your daily chart here, well, I've been always pointing out here, these are pretty much stuck together. I think your 21 just a little bit higher here now. Okay, so there's your support level, 2.67, and then you have 2.66. Very, very nice. Now look at this 8-day, how it's curling up nice. If it can keep curling up here and cross above those two, then she'll push that price right up there nicely. But right now, we have a very, very bullish chart here, right off this double bottom pattern, see? 2.45, and then there's your 2.42, but you look at that candle where it closed right above that price channel. That's what you always want to see here, okay? It can go lower, but as long as it closes back up, then you know she's going to run back up higher. So this is looking very, very bullish here, but let's just, be patient with it and look at these key resistant levels here to make sure that we can get above those. Then we can have your retest there at your 3.018. All right, I'll have more for you on crude oil and natty gas here after the pits close today. And thanks for watching.